Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be unboxing the 2025 Toyota Silver Series set, which comes with these Toyota trucks. As you can see, we have a 2010 Toyota Tundra, a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Land Cruiser, Toyota Land Cruiser 80, and Toyota off-road truck. So let's unbox this set. So first we have this 2010 Toyota Tundra. So let's open this. The color is black, and obviously we have all decals. The Toyota logo is looking quite nice. On the side we have Tundra Tempo work and all the decals. Back says Toyota Tundra. We have a chromed out chassis. It's plastic though, and the wheels are off-road steely wheels. So this was 2010 Toyota Tundra. Now for the second car we have 2020 Toyota Tacoma in this metal flake lime green color. The color is quite good for this one. It's a metal flake lime green paint. We have the Toyota badging in the front, some decals, and on the back it says 4x4 and Tacoma. Chassis is plastic, and the wheels are off-road swirl 6-spoke wheels. A good casting. It has side view mirrors. So this was 2020 Toyota Tacoma. For the third car we have Toyota Land Cruiser. So let's open this. This is actually a good looking casting. On the front we have this nice front details, some tampo work on the side and on the hood. This entire roof is painted white, and actually I like the back details. It says Toyota. Chassis is plastic, and the wheels are off-road swirl 6-spoke wheels, chrome. We have a rear window. So overall this is quite a good casting, but it's not my favorite, which is up next. Now for the fourth car, and my favorite, is Toyota Land Cruiser 80. I don't know, I just like this casting more because of the color and the good decals. So let's open this. Now this looks really good. My favorite casting from this set. We have nice front details and very good overall detailing on the side and on the hood. It has a rear wheel which is plastic. Chassis is plastic, and the wheels are again off-road steely wheels. Color is actually quite good, and we have a roof on the top. So this is my favorite from this set, Toyota Land Cruiser 80. Now for the fifth and the final car, which actually has a metal base, is a Toyota off-road truck. So let's open this. The design of this casting is quite unique. We have nice details on the front and on the overall body, and on the back we have this extra wheel. This entire thing is plastic. The base is actually metal. The wheels are again off-road swirl wheels in red row. So overall nice casting. So this was the Toyota Series 2025 set. I think this is quite a good pack, and recently India is getting many Silver Series lines which are actually good with a lot of decals, and obviously they feature one car with a metal body, so that's good. So anyways, If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.